welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles currently for sale across the United States. Number 1. 1988 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail, $9,800, Farmington, New Mexico. The 1988 Heritage Softail is one of Harley-Davidson's most recognizable classic cruisers, blending vintage styling with the comfort and character that made the Softail line so popular. With its nostalgic look and traditional V-twin performance, this model captures the spirit of classic American touring motorcycles from the late 1980s. This example shows about 11,783 miles and is listed in excellent condition with a clean title. The bike has been upgraded with electronic ignition and vibrationless floorboards. It also features custom touches like a python skin on the fuel tank and a red tooled primary case, while the original saddlebags are included with the sale. Number 2. 1960 MV Agusta Centomila 125, $7,975, Bayview, California. The MV Agusta Centomila 125 was designed as a stylish and efficient lightweight motorcycle for everyday riding. In the 1960s, it became popular with riders who wanted a machine that combined Italian design flair, agile handling, and reliable performance for city commuting. Powered by a 125cc pushrod single producing around 7.5 horsepower, the Centomila features a 4-speed transmission and chain drive. With a top speed of about 55 miles per hour and a curb weight of roughly 231 pounds, it offered a lively riding experience while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Number 3. 1976 BMW R75/6, $5,495, Bayview, California. The BMW R75/6 is part of BMW's respected /6 series, known for its durable boxer engine and smooth long-distance capability. These motorcycles earned a reputation for reliability and solid engineering, making them favorites among touring riders and vintage enthusiasts alike. This particular example is described as a well-preserved survivor finished in the rare curry metallic color. The bike shows 30,217 miles and recently received a comprehensive service by a BMW specialist. It runs well and comes with BMW side cases, a rear rack, and a toolkit, though there is a small amount of smoke at startup. Number 4. 1975 Honda CB400F, $3,500, San Jose, California. The Honda CB400F is widely admired as one of the most stylish middleweight motorcycles of the 1970s. Its compact inline-4 engine and distinctive 4x1 exhaust helped give the bike a sporty personality that still appeals to collectors today. This 1975 example has about 16,000 miles and is reported to be running well after the carburetors were recently cleaned. The motorcycle remains mostly original, with pod air filters installed, but the original seat included. It comes with a clean title and current non-operation registration. Number 5. 1969 Triumph Daytona 500, $6,500, Redwood City, California. The Triumph Daytona 500, also known as the T100R, represents the classic British twin-cylinder sport motorcycle of the late 1960s. Known for its lively performance and lightweight feel, the Daytona became a favorite among riders looking for both style and spirited riding. This 1969 example underwent a full ground-up restoration in 2000 by Rabers in San Jose. It has only about 2,000 miles since the restoration and still presents very well. While the paint was updated to 1972 colors, the motorcycle remains largely original and well preserved. Number 6. 1975 Suzuki TS400 Apache, $4,500, Longmont, Colorado. The Suzuki TS400 Apache is a well-known dual-sport motorcycle from the 1970s, designed to handle both off-road trails and paved roads. With its strong two-stroke engine and rugged design, the TS400 became a favorite among riders who wanted a versatile and powerful trail machine. This 1975 example is listed in excellent condition and shows about 13,000 miles. The frame has been powder-coated, and the seller states that the bike looks and runs excellent. It is street legal, runs and rides very well, and is capable of maintaining highway speeds with a clean Colorado title. Number 7. 1960 Vespa 150 VBB, $6,975, Bayview, California. The 1960 Vespa 150 VBB is a classic mid-century scooter produced by Piaggio and part of the well-known large-frame Vespa family introduced in the late 1950s. Its clean, streamlined body and rotary valve engine represent an important stage in the evolution of Vespa's iconic design. This example shows only about 3,043 miles on the odometer, believed to be correct, though listed as true mileage unknown. It features details like the front fender accent, a unique headset with round headlamp, and a spare tire mounted on the leg shield. Overall, it is described as being in very good aesthetic and mechanical condition, making it a practical vintage scooter for city riding. Number 8. 1975 Kawasaki KH400 S3A, $8,500, Menlo Park, California. The Kawasaki KH400 is part of Kawasaki's famous two-stroke triple lineup from the 1970s. Known for its lively performance and lightweight feel, the KH series earned a reputation for delivering exciting acceleration and distinctive engine character. This 1975 KH400 has undergone a complete nut and bolt restoration. Many parts were replaced with new or refinished components, including painted, powder-coated, re-chromed, and re-zinc-plated pieces. The bike features a custom pearl white and blue paint scheme and several new old stock parts. The restoration is about 99% complete and only requires a few final components installed before becoming a runner. Number 9. 1970 Moto Guzzi Ambassador V7, $2,000, Fremont, California. The Moto Guzzi Ambassador V7 is a classic Italian touring motorcycle known for its distinctive transverse V-twin engine and shaft drive. During the late 1960s and early 1970s, these bikes were popular for their durability, smooth highway performance, and unique engineering style. This 1970 example is powered by a 750cc engine and shows approximately 45,000 miles. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs well and all major functions are working. It is street legal and currently registered under the seller's name with a clean title. Number 10. 1975 Yamaha XS500 XS500B, $2,850, Higley, Arizona. The Yamaha XS500 was introduced in the mid-1970s as a compact parallel twin motorcycle offering smooth performance and everyday practicality. With its balanced engine and comfortable riding position, it became a dependable option for riders looking for a capable mid-size cruiser. This 1975 XS500B shows 14,180 miles and is described as running very well with a clean Arizona title. The bike retains its original Spanish burgundy paint and starts easily with either the electric starter or kickstarter. The seller reports that the lights, signals, and horn all work properly, and the bike has received recent maintenance including fresh oil, spark plugs, and a newer battery. Number 11. 1983 BMW R80, $5,500, Walnut Creek, California. Next is a 1983 BMW R80 located in Walnut Creek, California. This classic air-cooled boxer is street legal and powered by an 800cc engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The odometer has rolled over, which is common for bikes of this age, but the motorcycle has been completely rebuilt as a custom project. It also comes with a clean title and records available, making it a solid vintage BMW option for riders or collectors. Number 12. 1972 BSA Rocket 3, $8,300, Kent, Washington. Next up is a 1972 BSA Rocket 3 located in Kent, Washington. This well-cared-for bike is a numbers-matching MK2 model from BSA's final production year and features the distinctive chrome tank and updated styling. Often referred to as the first British superbike, it runs well with a Boyer ignition system and freshly ultrasonically cleaned carburetors. The top end was refreshed in 2021 with new pistons, rings, valves, and guides, making this rare motorcycle an attractive collector's opportunity. Number 13. 1974 Honda CB750, $7,000, Fox Island, Washington. Next is a 1974 Honda CB750 located in Fox Island, Washington, one of the most iconic motorcycles ever produced. This bike has a clean title and includes several upgrades such as new cables, tires, carburetors, and LED lights. It also features a solid-state rectifier, AGM battery, and Dyna S electronic ignition. The brakes have been rebuilt and the bike runs strong with no leaks, while additional spare parts, manuals, and extra rebuilt carburetors are included. Number 14. 1972 Husqvarna 250 CR, $8,500, Mukilteo, Washington. Here we have a 1972 Husqvarna 250 CR located in Mukilteo, Washington. This vintage motocross bike recently underwent the full restoration, including a professionally rebuilt engine by a vintage husky specialist in California. The bike received a new piston, rod, clutch, and electronic ignition, along with new tires and spokes. The frame was media blasted and refinished, and the suspension now features Falcon gas shocks, making this a beautifully restored classic off-road machine. Number 15. 1987 Suzuki Intruder VS700, $995, York, Pennsylvania. Finally, we have a 1987 Suzuki Intruder VS700 located in York, Pennsylvania. This 700cc cruiser has been sitting for several years and is being sold as an as-is project bike. It features a manual transmission and the mileage is listed as exempt on the title. While it will likely need mechanical work before returning to the road, the affordable price makes it an interesting restoration project for cruiser enthusiasts. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Moto Market Explorer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.